Hello everyone. We welcome you all to our new English online video course. As you all know, this is an 8 weeks video course and today we are publishing lesson 4 of this video course. But before we move on to our topic, let us quickly recapitulate the different parts of the speech. There are 8 parts of the speech which are noun, verb, pronoun, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So today we'll learn about adjectives. You all can see an image on your screen. What does it say? Words like lazy, shy, unfriendly, friendly, bad-tempered, arrogant, bossy, easygoing, energetic, helpful, sensitive. What are all these words? Yes, adjectives. In this video, you will learn about what is an adjective. What are the different types of adjectives? Upon the completion of this lesson, you will be able to define adjective, outline the different types of adjectives, use adjectives effectively in writing, identify adjectives in a sentence. So let us start. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun. Like, they live in a huge house. She wore a beautiful dress. This glass is breakable. What are the different types of adjectives? Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of numbers, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjectives. So, first we will start with adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality refers to the kind, degree or a quality of something. They are also called descriptive adjectives. Some examples like red, happy, late, great, foolish, loose and small. So we have again listed some examples to make you understand about adjectives of quality. Like, I have to complete my daily homework. John was too weak to attempt the race. He wants to buy a blue shirt. These roses are lovely. So here, daily, weak, blue and lovely. All are the examples of adjective of quality. Now we move on to adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity indicates the amount or quantity of the noun or pronoun. They answer the question how much, like some, little, all, whole, any, much. So here we have listed some examples to make you understand the concept of adjectives of quantity. So we don't have enough time to complete this. How much water is left in the bottle? She didn't eat much breakfast. So, moving on to adjectives of numbers. Adjectives of numbers tell about the numbers or order of person or things. They are also called numeral adjectives. They answer the question how many, like 10, first, triple, one, several, every. On this screen, you can see some examples for adjectives of numbers, like only one slice of pizza is left. Mary secured third position in exams. All children are present in the class. There are 40 people in the library. So 143rd and all. These all are adjectives of numbers. Now, we'll talk about demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives modifies a noun in a sentence while emphasizing its importance. They're tricky to understand. A demonstrative adjective modifies the noun and is always followed by the noun. Like this, that, these, and those. So here, these babies are so cute. Now again, this bag is very expensive. So observe demonstrative adjective followed by the noun. Like these babies and this bag. Like these shoes are made of leather. That house across the street is so beautiful. So these were the few examples of demonstrative adjectives. Now we come to interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives modify a noun by asking a question. The interrogative adjectives are what, which, whose. So here we have listed some examples of interrogative adjectives. So like, what type of fabric is this? Which desert you want to eat? Whose umbrella is this? So these are the few examples of interrogative adjectives. Now we come to possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are used to show a form of possession or ownership or a close relationship with something. They are often confused with possessive pronoun. Possessive adjectives are always followed by the noun, like my, your, his, her, its, out, and their. So its, are, their, her, his, your, my. These are the few examples of possessive adjectives. You see, they show some form of possession or ownership. Now we'll see some examples of possessive adjectives. So observe, these adjectives are followed by the noun. Like, my car is very old. How old is your sister? This is our luggage. Her toys are in the basket. So you see, my is followed by a noun, car. Like your is followed by sister. So these were the few examples of possessive adjectives. So now let's practice. Identify the adjectives in the following sentence and state its type. So I'll be reading out these sentences to you. There are 3 children playing in the garden. My mother cooks delicious food. They have plenty of money with them. This boy always completes his work on time. Whose book is here on the table? She's an intelligent and wise person. So let's check the answers for these sentences. When I said there are 3 children playing in the garden, so 3 was an adjective here and it was adjective of numbers. When I said my mother cooks delicious food, this was very easy. Delicious is of course adjective of quality. So third sentence was they have plenty of money with them. So plenty was adjective of quantity. This boy always completes his work on time. So this is a demonstrative adjective. Whose book is here on the table? So of course, whose is a interrogative adjective here. He's an intelligent and wise person. So intelligent and wise, both are adjective of quality. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Stay tuned for lesson 5 and sign up now on www.fuchsia.com. Thank you.